In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use drag and drop feature in Brevo. By the end, you'll be able to sign in, open your campaign, and quickly build an email using simple drag and drop blocks like text, images, and buttons. First, head to the Brevo login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Sign in with Google if that's how your account is set up. Select your Google account and complete the usual authentication. If you use a different login method, that's fine too. Just sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, go to the marketing section. From there, open campaigns. You'll see a list of your existing campaigns. Click into the campaign you want to work on, or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Either way, you'll land on the campaign details page. Look for the option to edit design and click it to open the email editor. When the editor loads, you'll see your email canvas in the center and a panel of content blocks on the left. This is where drag and drop shines. To add something, click and hold a block, like text, image, or button. Drag it onto the canvas and release when you see the placement guide appear. Brevo highlights possible drop zones, which helps you snap content into the right spot without guesswork. After placing a block, click it to customize. For text, you can type directly and adjust font, size, color, alignment, and spacing in the settings. For images, upload or pick from your library, then refine width, alignment, and padding. A quick tip, use appropriately sized images to keep your email loading fast, and add alt text for accessibility. Let's do a practical example with a button. From the left panel, drag the button element onto your email and drop it where you want the call to action to appear. Click the button to edit the label, such as Shop Now or Learn More. Set the link URL, and then fine-tune styling, color, font, size, alignment, padding, and corner radius to match your brand. You can duplicate the button if you need a similar one elsewhere, or drag a new one and style it differently for variety. Repeat that same drag and drop process for any other elements you want to add, like additional text sections, images, or separators. If your layout needs structure, consider placing content into separate rows or columns to keep spacing clean and consistent. Keep arranging and refining until your email looks the way you want. That's it. Sign in, open your campaign, click Edit Design, and build your email by dragging blocks onto the canvas, then customizing each one. You're ready to create polished, on-brand emails in Brevo with ease.